hiyo baridi hataendelea kuisikia. Na let me also tell you that because we want to see fairness in the party, we organized for an NDC and we advertised it in the papers. The NDC was to take place on the 24th and 25th of March. They went to court to block our holding of the NDC. Kama kweli wako na ukweli, ya nini wanaogopa umati wa watu? Si waje mbele ya watu, tufanye uchaguzi, tusafishe nini? Chama. The letter that came from the lawyer is here. Dated 6th March 2013, that's the date we received it. It was written on the 3rd of March 2023. And they went ahead and we were told that we cannot hold the NDC because they objected to it. So kama unakataa pahali watu ambao we want to subject ourselves to the NDC so that they can say they have confidence or no confidence, because we are only trying to do what is right. And finally, this team led by this guy about to be sent to Yara. Look at the irony of this. Kanini is enjoying nomination from Jubilee Party. It is on the nomination a letter I wrote to National Assembly that he was given an opportunity to represent us at Yara. He is already a beneficiary of the sweat of those people who fought for the party. He is now gone to the other side to kill what is left for these people. Sabina, who could not even present herself even for an MCA seat in Muranga. We gave her that nomination. She is there on the strength of Jubilee as a member of Azimio. And she goes to the floor to say that she cannot whip for Azimio. Anasema, ye ujigake haijafika kiasi ya kwamba wafuatane na Azimio. Of what interest would you want to have her sitting there? But even before we get to removing her, she is already a beneficiary of the sweat of these people, whom she is now trying to destroy by making sure that they have no party. Finally, Wetagura. We have had bad speakers to the National Assembly, but we never thought we could sink this row. Wetagura had a problem of arithmetic. He could not even add numbers. He missed to know who had the majority. The Speaker of the County Assembly of Nairobi got it right. Imagine how beautiful it would be in this country if we had these fellows who are in offices through the window in State House and a National Assembly that is being controlled by a party that is not in power. The check and balances. Look at how it is happening at the County Assembly of Nairobi. Beautiful. But he could not allow that level of democracy to be grown in this country. He has now gone further to ensure that even a person who is supposed to pick and whip our members, he wants to decide who should whip for our party. That is not just legally wrong, it is also immoral. It's totally immoral. And until those changes are allowed to happen on the floor of the House, we will be out in maandamano. Yes. Hello? Hello. Tumemaliza? Asante. Kuna swali? Hiyo ni mzuri. Sema pana uliza gumu. Yes, Brian. Yes, Mshiri.